Hi, I'm Augusto Laja. I'm the captain. When I created captains.com and all the home service related, I have a dream. And this dream was to really provide a high efficient job, a high efficient service with a lot of love, with a lot of care. So that's why our slogan is, your home is our temple and we care. With the captains, you have the heroes of home improvement, the heroes of everything related to your house. Here, I have the captains painters who work in this home, which is amazing because we are providing them high-level service with a fair price. We have two golden rules. Only pay after the job is 100% finished. So if you are a homeowner, if you are talking about a residential job, we do all your service from beginning to the end, and you pay only after the final walkthrough. This is a strong golden rule that we have here in our company, and all the employees, all the stakeholders, all the partners, everybody knows that we have to perform an amazing job for the customer. The second golden rule that we have, which is super strong too, is in matter to give you a fair price, we guarantee you the best price compared to any other licensed contractor in the job. With the captains and with the captain painter, you have an amazing job for a very, very fair price. That's why I ask you to join our group, to join our company, and do your service with us. I promise you, you're gonna have an amazing experience with the heroes, with the captains.